Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus lists. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two popular data management tools. Excel, a robust spreadsheet application, is renowned for its powerful analytical capabilities and complex calculations. On the other hand, lists offer a more straightforward approach to organizing information, focusing on simplicity and accessibility. Understanding their unique strengths will help you determine which tool best suits your particular data handling requirements, whether for personal use or team projects. Excel truly shines when you're dealing with complex numerical data and require in-depth analysis. It's the go-to tool for tasks like financial modeling, budgeting, and statistical computations, offering hundreds of built-in functions. You can create intricate formulas, generate dynamic pivot tables, and produce professional-grade charts to visualize trends. For projects involving extensive calculations or large datasets, Excel provides unparalleled power and flexibility, making it indispensable for many business and academic applications. Conversely, lists are perfect for simpler, more structured data organization where ease of use is paramount. Think of them for managing task lists, inventories, or contact information. They provide a clear, linear way to present data, making it incredibly easy to add, sort, and filter items quickly. Many applications and platforms seamlessly integrate list functionalities, allowing for straightforward collaboration and information sharing without the complexity of advanced formulas or extensive formatting options. Ultimately, the choice between Excel and lists hinges on your specific needs. If your data involves extensive calculations, intricate relationships, or requires advanced analytical tools, Excel is undoubtedly the superior option. However, for straightforward data tracking, collaborative task management, or simple inventories where quick access and ease of use are key, lists offer a more efficient and user-friendly solution. Consider your data's nature and your team's workflow to make the most informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.